Do you have butcher block countertops? You're looking for a good oil and conditioner set. This comes from Howard Oil. They have cutting board oil here, and they also have the butcher block conditioner. It's a family-owned company since 1969. Let's actually apply it to our butcher block countertops that are looking a little bit thirsty. What I love about this is that it is just mineral oil in here, so it is odorless, tasteless, and it is food grade mineral oil. For the conditioner, it is also food grade mineral oil and natural waxes like beeswax. So all natural ingredients so that your cooking surfaces and everything are good to go. For best results, go ahead and oil the countertops first and apply it pretty generously. Let it soak in once you've actually rubbed it in with a rag, spread it out evenly. And then you want to wait about 30 minutes, at least 30 minutes for best results before you put on the conditioner, because you want to let the butcher block actually soak up the oil itself. You can already see the difference. On this side, we've got it waxed, or sorry, oiled, my apologies. This side, you can see this hasn't been oiled yet. So dramatic difference. Not only does it extend the life of your butcher block, but it also just helps it look its best because it starts to look pretty dull. Then you start to see the water spots, different oil splatters and things like that on your countertops. When they're well oiled and conditioned, you just see the beautiful wood come out and you really start to see the darker grains and everything in the wood as well. It's a lot of fun, honestly, and it's one of the only ways to actually clean the butcher block. You can't really use soap and water or anything like that. You've got to actually oil it up.
It helps seal in the wood grain too. So whenever you are cooking and stuff splashes in there, it's not going to actually get absorbed into the wood.
Yeah, and especially if maybe you've done oil before, but you haven't done a conditioner with wax and everything, the wax makes a huge difference. It keeps it sealed in longer so that you don't have to wax quite as often. And yeah, you can see a huge difference. The color in the wood just really pops out.
It's thirsty.
Very much so. And it'll stay like this for a while too. That's what's nice. You don't have to do it like every day. Should stay pretty conditioned for at least like maybe 15 to 30 days.
Initially, when we first got our countertops, we had to oil and take care of them a lot more frequently.
Yeah.
But then after, we've done that like several times. Now it's getting to the point where we only have to do it every like 3 to 6 months.
Yeah, initially we had to do it a lot. Now it's maybe every few months. Here's a perfect example. I was getting some water, spilled some on the butcher block, and you can see it beading up. That means that the butcher block has soaked up oil and is now repelling water, which is what you want because wood and water definitely do not mix. Well, they do, but causes damage. So you want to make sure the water sits on top and that it actually beads up like this. That's how you know your butcher block countertops are conditioned and ready to go. Okay, so the initial oil soaked in. Now I've got the conditioner, and that's what this is here. I'm just gonna apply a little bit more, and we're gonna condition this so that it seals in that oil and really brings out the shine on the wood. Wow. You can see kind of the difference here. This has been oiled but not conditioned. This has been conditioned as well. Let me just clean it up like that. And now we have beautiful butcher block countertops. You can also do this with your cutting boards as well, obviously. Whoops, I see a couple cuts here. Don't do that. Don't cut directly on your countertops like we do. But looking amazing, guys, compared to where we started. Really like it. And it's all thanks to Howard Butcher Block Conditioner. Side note, this is also good for bamboo surfaces as well. And as I'm wiping the counters and applying the oil, you can actually see how dirty these paper towels get because this is everything on the surface of the butcher block that we are cleaning off. So it's actually pretty important to keep your wood clean and everything as well. It's gonna get really dirty if you don't.